Guys, mag-room tour tayo. Meron kaming direct pool. And nandito na si Adam. Kakarating lang namin. Sobrang lapit tayo sa pool bar. Ayan, then ito yung room namin. Ayan yung balcony. Then, ito yung ating bedroom. Meron tayo dito ang big mirror. TV. Dalawa yung binigay namin. Nabubulol ako. Dalawa siya guys. Queen bed ata to and single. Then, ito yung ating fridge. Hindi ko nabubuksan yan, guys. Mirror again. Yan. Click lang siya, guys. Click. Hotel room. Ito is Hen and Palm. Then, meron na tayong bath. Direct access. Direct access. Ay, hindi pala salamin yan, guys. Sa bedroom. Ayan. Another mirror. Toilet. Okay. Quick. Hotel room tour.